Hey guys, I am going to do a quick tutorial on how to apply the new 3D Plus mascara. Um, it's different from the original, so you're going to have to work with it and play with it and find your groove. We all put it on different, and that's okay. But this is how I do it, and this is how it's going to look okay on everybody. It comes in two tubes, and if you can see, there's a window in both of them. That way you know when you need to get a hold of me for more. So, obviously, it comes in this cute little box as well. Well, I have it upside down. Cute little box. And it has a little travel case, which I did not bring that one down. I'm trying to get my best lighting so you guys can see. But, as you can see right now, I have absolutely no lashes. I mean, look at that. There's none. I mean, there's some there. I'm not going to say that there's none because my lashes have grown so much since using the 3D mascara. But I really want long lashes. So what you're going to do is if you have one, use your, which you can see one of my teeth came out of it. You definitely want to try the Lash Brow Brush combo. It works. They're metal teeth, so it works really great with our fibers. I've tried it with the plastic and it doesn't go. So you're just going to brush them out. Make sure you get them all straight. I'm going to try to do as much as I can on my phone, but I have a little mirror beside me. This is a different formula, so it is going to go different. But it's going to give you the same results, but it's going to give you, instead of using 2 coats to get really long length, you're only going to have one coat. So 1 coat of this equals 2 and sometimes 3 coats of the original. So what you're going to do is you're going to have them both in your hand, open them both, have them both ready. And what I like to do is twirl my, don't pump it, twirl the transplanting gel in the tube to get the transplanting gel on your brush. And with this transplanting gel, it's so creamy that you might end up with too much on it. You can see how much is on it. You don't want it to look like that. So just brush it off. Brush it off the top. Hopefully you can see this. Just brush it off the top here. And voila, you are ready. You don't need as much like you did with the other one. Okay, so you can see I wiped some of it off. This brush is absolutely amazing. The angle, it works to get in the corners and stuff. So we are going to start out with our transplanting gel, and then you'll be able to see the difference in my eyes. So I am coating my lashes with the transplanting gel, and I'm really going to coat them from top to bottom. No need to wiggle like you did with the other. And then you can even use the tip of it to get over here. My lashes are difficult for me. They like to be difficult, so. Okay, we are really gonna coat them. Make sure you're getting them done, because you need something for the fibers to hold on to. But you're just applying the transplanting gel like regular mascara. That's all you're doing. And definitely have both of them out and ready because you want the gel to be wet still. And sometimes mine clump that way, so I kind of take my brush from the inside of my lashes and brush out. You might not have that problem. Yep, you guys are seeing me up close, but I wanted to make sure you guys could really see. Okay, so I have my transplanting gel on, and what I'm going to do with my fibers brush is do this. Scrape it off on the inside there because there are a ton of fibers on this brush. I mean, I've wiped most of it off, but you can see there's still some on there. You don't need that many. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your brush and twirl it along the back of your hand. This is going to elongate the fibers. Okay, so now I'm ready, and I'm going to go mid-length. or midway, not to the root like I used to, because I don't have to with this stuff. And you can even take your brush and kind of just brush it out like this to get the fibers on the end at the tips of your lashes there. But you don't want too many fibers on that brush, because then you're going to get the clumpy look. So make sure you're kind of scraping the fibers off like I showed you, and then roll them on your hand. Okay, let me see if I can move this without my phone falling. Okay, look at the length difference already, but you can see those ones and that one. That's just one length, or that's just one coat of the 3D Fiber Lash Plus. Okay, so now we are going to go back over with the transplanting gel, and again, you want to make sure that it's not completely covered in the transplanting gel. So you can wipe it off, and whichever way you feels best, just wipe it off. And now I'm going to go back over my fibers from root to tip. That's how I'm going to do this one. And just go straight up, no wiggling, because this brush really separates the lashes. This transplanting gel brush, the way it's, you know, made, is fabulous. This is for an everyday, more natural look. If you want to go more, you always can. Okay, I am finished with one coat of this fabulous mascara. I'm gonna lift up my eyes and look at that. Look at the length. I don't know, can you see? Without looking at my nose. Look at that. I mean, honestly, ladies, that's just one coat. And you watched me apply it. That's how you want to apply your mascara, and it's not going to be clumpy, because it can get clumpy with this nude, just because the transplanting gel is so creamy. I mean, it's so amazing, but you don't want too much on it. Now, that took me 7 minutes. That's me talking as well. But you can do this mascara, walk in and out of the door, 5 minutes. I mean, it's that good, because you only need one coat of this stuff. You can do 2 coats. Remember that. You can do 2 coats if you want more of a dramatic look for an evening or something. You could do that as well. But that is my tutorial and how you are going to apply your new 3D Plus mascara. And if there's any other questions that you ladies have, if you want to see me do 2 coats, if you want to watch me, I mean, any tutorial that you want me to do, just let me know, and believe me, I will do it. And you can see today that I have a purple color with my sexy color on the inside, because it matches my shirt. There's purple on my shirt, and I have purple shorts on. So, but yes, you can see. Look at the difference in that. And that's just in one coat. So, and also, if you can, get this lash brush. It helps a ton if your lashes, for some reason, feel like they want to stick together. It's a good way to straighten them out, which I don't need to, because it really worked well for me. And it has I haven't had a problem with the new formula since I've been doing it this way. I haven't had an issue at all. So try that. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't ordered, go ahead and you can either go to the link that I post in the comments, or let me know on my next bulk order. So thank you.